Namaskar, this is Rohi Shankar Mane and you are watching Scientists Are Academy Towards Scientific World. Now in this session we are going to discuss about the DBT Ramalinga Swami Re-Entry Fellowship 2020-2021. Now if you are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more video updates. Let's see. In a first introduction, now what is this fellowship? Applications are solicited from the Indian nationals working in overseas research institutions for the Ramalingam Swami Re-Entry Fellowship, a re-entry scheme of the Department of the Biotechnology, that is DBT, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. The fellowship is now being managed by Regional Center for Biotechnology under its HRD Project Management Unit, that is HRD PMU. The scheme has conceived with the aim of attracting highly skilled researchers, that's Indian nationals, working overseas in various cutting-edge disciplines of life sciences, biotechnology, bioengineering, healthcare, agriculture, veterinary sciences, and all other allied areas by providing them an attractive venue to pursue their R&D interest in Indian institutions. Who is eligible to apply? The applicant should possess PhD or MD or equivalent degree with an outstanding track record as reflected in publications and other recognitions with at least 3 years of postdoctoral research experience, of which last 2 years should be from overseas laboratory. Those who have already returned to India within 1 year of the closing date of this advertisement are also eligible. Researchers up to 45 years of age as determined on closing date of applications are eligible to apply. Now incentives of being a Ramalinga Swami Fellow. So this is a senior fellowship program and awardees are to be considered equivalent to assistant professor and scientist D level position. Fellows selected are entitled to take up teaching and research assignments and supervising doctoral and MS students. The scheme provides a consolidated monthly remuneration, that is 1 lakh per month. In addition, a house rent allowance or like around 18,500 rupees per month, that is also consolidated, is given to fellows. In case host institute provides accommodation to the fellow, no house rent allowance is admissible. The fellowship is taxable as per Government of Indian rules. Now fellows will receive a research contingency grant around 10 lakh for the first and second year, 7.5 lakhs for the third year and fourth year, and 5 lakhs for fifth year for the purchase of consumables, minor equipments, international and domestic travel, engaging manpower and other contingency expenditure to be incurred for the implementation of research proposal, which is a part of fellowship, and institutional overhead around 50,000 per year. Now, what is the tenure of fellowship? So simple, the fellow can draw fellowship for a term of 5 years. Fellowship is further extendable for another 2 years on a fresh appraisal. Only fellowship and HRA will be admissible during extension period. No research or contingency grant will be provided during the extension period. Those who are able to secure permanent positions will not be considered for the second term. How to apply? So application may be sent as per performance downloadable from the RCB DBT website. That is, this is a website, that is www.rcb.res.in and www.dbtindia.gov.in. From this website you can download the performer, and this performer, if we have to fill, duly forwarded to the competent authority, to the executive director, Regional Center of Biotechnology, NCR Biotechnology Science Cluster, third milestone, Faridabad Gurugram Expressway, Faridabad 121001, Haryana, that is NCR, Delhi, India, both as one hard copy as well as soft copy, as a single PDF only. So here first we have to go to the website, that is the www.rcb.resin or this website, and from there we have to download the performer and we have to fill that performer and we have to send to this address. Okay, the applications not forwarded by the host institution will not be considered. A soft copy to be mandatorily mailed at this mail ID, that is dbt.rlsfellowship@rcb.res.in by the 15th November 2020. Okay, so this is all about this fellowship. So those are eligible for this fellowship, they can apply. Thanks a lot.